Alright. I'll flip this. Gabby, hold this. Hold. Don't pull it yet. Don't pull it yet. I'll set up right in here. Alright. You gotta pull it away from the car. Don't scratch the paint. Alright? Ready? Hey guys, welcome back to That LA Garage. Today, this episode, we're going to be finishing up the bodywork, painting the car, assembling it, and finishing it up to the most part. So please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, like at the end of the video, comment, and enjoy the show. Over here, Luke is the master of this project. I'm just bothering him, if anything. You can see me in the corner sanding the bumper, the rear bumper. I did the rear bumper, the front bumper, a few other parts. But this is Luke. He's sculpting the fenders and the hood. Because these are original fenders that came from the car that got into the accident, so it got a few dings and dents, and it got wrinkled also because it got pushed. So even though it seems like there's a lot of Bondo, but it's only to correct small portions of it and to let it fade in. He's absolutely amazing at what he does, this guy. At the end, he puts this black paste on the fenders or any troubled areas to make sure there's no dimples or bumps in the bodywork. And then after that, took the high pressure air, cleaned out all the dust, get everything ready for taping, and we primed it over here on the frame machine before the booth. Now, when we worked on this car, it was kind of after work hour job. So we've literally for 3-4 nights in a row, we worked till 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning to get this thing ready. Because we had also the inspection due, the salvage inspection due. So this thing needed to be done and 2 days for the paint to cure before we can do the inspection. So a lot of hours went into this thing and a lot of late hours. So here we are taping it up. Again, we're just masking it up for the primer, and the primer gets sanded also. So don't think this is the end of the taping, and also don't think of this is where the car gets painted. First of the primer. She's starting to look like herself. So this is base coat, and next step is clear coat. You're in it.
Really?
Yeah, what do you think?
Oh, do it again.
So this is the next day after paint. Now we are starting to put the car back together and wet sanding it. All right, you ready? Come on.
Yep.
Are you ready to see it?
Yeah.
Are you ready to see it?
Yeah.
Wait, what are you doing with this axe?
I don't know.
The axe is back.
Oh, wait, did you glue the cover up?
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, you guys ready to see the car?
Yes.
For the first time after it's done?
Yes.
All right, let's go. Let's cue the drums. Very nice intro. You ready? You ready?
Wow.
All right. I'll flip this. Gabby, hold this. Hold. Don't pull it yet. Don't pull it yet. I'll set up Mario here. All right. You gotta pull it away from the car. Don't scratch the paint. All right. Ready? Ready?
Yes. Oh my god. This is nice. Gotta be careful for the.
Pull it off the mirror.
Yeah, the mirror. Oh, it's off here. Oh.
You got it.
Wow. Oh.
Thanks for watching my dad's films. And don't forget, if you ain't got haters, you